Okay, so my name is Pulkit Kochar. A little about me. I'm a content creator who creates comedy, relatable content, and also Bollywood trivia. And I'm very elated to be here because I am someone who has never attended formal college education. So being at IIT means a lot. So, whenever I go to places like this, I battle in my head, ki, is this my hard work or is this luck? So I thought, why not talk about something like that, which is the equation of luck. सी जब हम बड़े होते हैं ना, हम सबको बोला जाता है हार्ड वर्क करो. हार्ड वर्क के बारे में बहुत सारे कोट्स बताया जाता है, कि वर्क हार्ड इन साइलेंस एंड ड्रीम बिग बट वर्क हार्ड फॉर इट. कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. बट आपने नोटिस किया होगा कभी कभी हो भी जाती है कोशिश वालों की हार. एंड सो आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट कि व्हेन यू वर्क रियली हार्ड बट द लक यू हैव इज अ लिटिल लिमिटेड. So after a point, some people start telling you, and you also start blaming everything on your luck. कि यार maybe I'm not that lucky, which is true. Some people are not that lucky. Sometimes it's just about not being born in a house where your parents don't support you. Sometimes it's about not being in the city that supports your passion, or sometimes by not just being rich, which is a huge matter. So how does one jump on a cliff like that where you have done the hard work and you have the limited luck? How do you jump to the other side? So I want to talk about that, but before that I want to talk about a little story of mine, which at the end of which we will come to the point of this. I am someone who was born in a tier 3 city in Punjab. You might have never heard about it, Jaito. The way I tell people about Jaito is it's 30 kilometers from Bathinda, where Geet in Jab We Met live. So even that is my Bollywood reference. So I'm a big Bollywood fan. I can't talk about anything. हर 30 सेकंड में Bollywood reference आ ही जाता है. And growing up, I loved movies so much. I really wanted to go to Mumbai without knowing कि मुझे career में क्या करना है. I just really wanted to be in the city where movies are made because I love movies and especially Hindi movies. So being from Punjab in 2012, I thought why not learn filmmaking, and that's the way. That's the way I moved to Mumbai. But again, the luck plays a big part here. This is 2012 when leave Punjab, there's not even a single filmmaking college in the whole of North India. So I was like, what do I do? So next year in 2013, I went to Chandigarh and I started learning animation, because animation is still related to filmmaking, right? It is editing through which I thought I will break through and I will come to Mumbai, through an editing job. So I learned animation for 3 years there. And then I started applying in Mumbai for video editing jobs. But again, no luck, because fresher editor, अगर कोई मुंबई आता भी है, the amount they pay you is such that you can't even survive in the city. So I could never come to Mumbai after 3 years of my animation course. So I was like juggling with this thought of what to do. So I joined a graphic designing job in Chandigarh. While I was doing the graphic designing, I started watching an English sitcom. It's a very niche one. I don't know आपने सुना है कि नहीं. Friends, have you all seen Friends? So I started watching Friends while having lunch at my graphic designing job, and every day, that I'll be there for you. The song that plays in the start, it started getting hooked in my head, and it played a subconscious part कि मैं उतना उस गाने में घुस गया था कि one day रात को बैठ के मैं सोचने लग गया क्यों ना I should use my editing skills and take a Bollywood movie about friendship and put that song. So first I thought Dil Chahta Hai. Then I'm like, no, this is 2013. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara was very recent. So this is 2013 when video editing was only used for like filmmaking purposes and not mashups, and memes were very new. Photo memes were there. So what I did was I downloaded Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and I put the Friends title song. And I edited it, I remember, from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. like pitch perfect, 1 minute edit. And even use the same fonts for the introduction. And 5 a.m. I slept because I had to go for my job next day, right, 10 a.m. So जब मैं दोबारा दोपहर में lunch करते हुए Friends देख रहा था, I realized I had made an edit and I just posted that edit. This was the edit, Friends title song feat ZNMD. And now, this is a very crucial part. I posted this edit, and this is 2016 now, 16 May or July. This is 2016 July. Then I was like, how do I make this video reach more people? Because तब videos हवा में viral नहीं होती थी. There used to be publications. There used to be BuzzFeed writing an article about a YouTube video. There used to be Scoop Book. There used to be StoryPic. All the publications. So I made sure I emailed this video to every single publication, BuzzFeed, Scoop, Storypic, Koi Moi, you name the popular publication, and I had mailed the same video link to everyone, hoping that some, like, at least one page publishes it and the views increase. And guess what? The next morning I woke up and I saw that almost every big publication in India has published that video. And this was a mashup. This is a mashup I made. And I know it's not like a big thing, but I think I want to talk about this small story to say the big thing. What happened was, I thought this is the maximum my luck could reach, right? But subconsciously मैं हर चीज को push करता रहता था कि ये publications पढ़ने वाले लोग मुंबई में भी हैं. So what if I use these publications to do something later? But I didn't know what. So then I thought कि okay चलो at least इतना तो हुआ. मैंने अपने दोस्तों को पार्टी वार्टी दी कि भाई वीडियो वायरल हो गई. And this was 16 being viral that time. And then I slept, and the next morning I wake up, I see who has shared my video on Twitter. It is Farhan Akhtar and Hrithik Roshan. And this is 2016. Like, I'm telling you the year specifically, Barbar, for the context. This is not the time when celebrities would even interact with their fans on social media. Social media was very new. Twitter still. So I was like amazed that Farhan Akhtar even tagged me. And I thought, how can I use this? So I was really happy, but I was still doing the same graphic designing job in Chandigarh. And I was like, okay, how do I use this to go to Mumbai? Meanwhile, in Mumbai, there was an industry growing called social media. Social media was a mix of having Photoshop skills, video editing skills, and humor. So I knew Photoshop editing because of my animation course, and humor, I assumed that I might be funny. And that assumption really helped eventually, you will know. So someone had tagged me under a post by East India Comedy. It was a news comedy collective by a lot of stand-up comedians. And they were looking for a social media employee, basically getting paid to make memes back in those days. And memes with full freedom in those days. So I applied, but I didn't just send the CV. I sent this video's link and I mentioned each and every publication that I had published. I mentioned that Hrithik shared, Farhan shared, even Zoya Akhtar shared on Facebook. I couldn't find that screenshot, but it's so long back. And I told them this specifically. Imagine someone like me who has no followers, made a viral piece of content. You are a collective of 7 stand-up comedians. You already have a big following on Twitter and Facebook at that time. Imagine what we could do together if I create content for you. You have the distribution, I have the talent, why not? Let's collaborate. And that is how I came to Mumbai 10 years ago, 2016. Now, why I told this story, I'll come back to that, is I could have just stopped by making that video. You know how people say कि अच्छा काम कर और दरिया में डाल, अपने आप हो जाएगा, you know, work hard in silence, let success make the noise, वो सब. मैं वो जो दरिया में डालता हूँ अच्छा काम, but I make sure कि दरिया के दूसरे पार तक मैं पहुंचा के आऊँ उस काम को. I make sure the work reaches the right people. So which is exactly the topic of my video today, increasing the surface area of luck. You have your limited luck, but how do you increase the surface area that your luck provides to you? It's when you see someone working hard and success, and you see success, it's not just the hard work on the actual work. It is also to make sure it reaches the right people, it reaches the right time, and when it does, you are there to push yourself more and more. See, when you do that, आपका काम आपको खुद रिजल्ट्स देता है और फिर वो रिजल्ट्स देख के you keep pushing yourself to do more and more work. That is basically increasing the surface area of luck. And that is what I did. If you see, it's not about just doing, it's also about telling. And like, this is what I use in my daily life every day. Even when I was doing a job, you know, like Slack groups होते हैं या even WhatsApp groups होते हैं. जब आपकी छोटी सी छोटी चीज भी कुछ आपने की ऑफिस में, I used to post that in a group that had all the HODs, the people who would do my promotion or increase my salary. I made sure everyone got to know what are the littlest things I'm doing for their company. And I made sure it reached the right people. It's been 10 years since that now. I'm a content creator who creates around Bollywood. I also interview actors. So last year I got a call from an RJ saying, hey, Aamir Khan is doing a panel with some creators and actors. Would you be interested? And my first question was, bhai unko pucho if he's interested. Like, why is the question to me? But I said, obviously I'm interested. So she said, I'm sending your profile to Amir Khan's team. They will check your profile and get back. And the first thing I did after cutting the call was, I went on my profile and I pinned all the posts that mentioned Amir Khan. Making sure when their team checks my profile, they don't have to scroll a lot. They see all the Amir Khan posts on top and they say, oh, this guy talks about him, he talks about movie trivia, let's call him. So these are the little things. Like if I do a brand deal, I make sure that day I post something very engaging on story. So Instagram algorithm pushes my profile that day, so that brand reel works more and I get more brands to work with. So I plan every little thing to increase the surface area of my luck. And this is with everyone. Everyone has done it, they just don't know the term for it. For example, Anurag Kashyap in the late 90s, he was getting a lot of money to do TV. And at one point for Star TV, he has done shows for Star, which is you can still watch. But he made a decision. He had his hard work in the direction and writing work, but by his luck he met Ram Gopal Verma. And he started working on Satya for way lesser money than he was getting there. If he had not taken that decision, you might have not seen Black Friday, you might have not seen Gulal, Devdi, whatever he has done after that. So by taking that little decision, he basically increased the surface area of luck. Even Shah Rukh Khan, he was big even before he came in movies, through Fauji, through so many Doordarshan shows he did. But by coming to Mumbai and looking for work in Mumbai, for movies, he increased the surface area of luck. And that is what I do in the littlest of things and not just the big decisions of my life. It's always the little things that matter, and the little spaces in your life you can fill by increasing the surface area of luck, by just doing that little extra effort to make sure your work reaches where it needs to reach. Like spam everybody. When you make a reel, like spam all your 15 friends. Even if they leave your scene, don't feel bad. But you make sure your work reaches everyone. And that is how you jump from this cliff to that cliff, by increasing surface area of luck. And I have completed 10 years in Mumbai today. Thank you so much.